The time has come for a new facility to meet the exceptional educational program that's been developed and is continuing to develop, the new curriculum, the new ways of teaching and learning.
I think it's an incredible opportunity to look at how we can redesign our school to meet the needs of the future.
We need new facilities that can help us assure outstanding learning environments, the ability to build even greater sense of community among our students and faculty and staff, and especially to allow our students to practice in clinics that are second to none.
This is going to be the place that's going to set the standard for the entire world to look at. It's going to change the way dental education is delivered, not only in this country, but throughout the world. When you walk into that building through those doors, you're going to go, wow, this is all what Pacific Begonia is all about.